If you're facing the frustrating issue of YouTube not showing comments or related videos on your iPhone or iPad, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into a quick troubleshooting guide to get your YouTube app back on track. Solution 1. Update the YouTube app. Our first step is to ensure your YouTube app is up to date. An outdated app can be a breeding ground for technical glitches. Here's what you need to do. Open your App Store from your iOS device. In the search bar, look for YouTube. When you find it, hit that update button. Once the update is complete, relaunch the app and see if the issue persists. Solution 2. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can wreak havoc on your YouTube experience. Let's clear them out. Go to your Settings menu. Choose Safari. Look for Clear History and Website Data and tap on it. Watch as all those pesky cookies and caches get wiped away. And there you have it, a quick troubleshooting guide to fix the YouTube not showing comments or related videos glitch on your iOS devices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you faced this issue and how you resolved it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.